Ryan Breton has our full forecast, and I think we're just hoping that at some point it'll start to feel like mid-May.
Maybe this weekend?
Okay.
That would be
You know,
good.
I'm a little nervous, almost promising a good weekend on Tuesday.
Well, you haven't promised anything, so
Almost.
we won't totally hold you to it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Optimistic.
Yes,
Optimistic
I'm
for the
optimistic.
weekend now.
I feel decent that the weekend should be mainly dry and a little warmer. So there's that.
Good.
I wanted to show this live view over Portland. You see the camera kind of shaking a little bit. That's because we have some wind out there. Obviously, this is zoomed in, but it's a north-northwest wind at 15, gusting up to 24 miles per hour. So it is breezy out there. Bangor right now we're at 52 and also gusting close to 30 miles per hour at the airport in Bangor. Temperatures south of the mountains in the 50s. It is chillier up north, though, upper 40s to around 50 at the moment. You can see all the clouds that have bubbled up in the heating of the day today. These will fade this evening, but then clouds will be coming in from the west ahead of this next system, which will bring showers tomorrow and then off and on showers, it looks like, Thursday into Friday, too. It's going to be slow to move on through. So for the rest of the afternoon, pretty much what you see is what you get. We may go up a few degrees from where we are now, 55 to 60 degrees for most in central and southern Maine. The clouds do diminish this evening, so you'll catch a good sunset. And then tonight, clouds start coming in from the west, and that should prevent the temperatures from free falling like they did last night in southern Maine. But eastern and northern Maine, you'll wake up to frosty spots, and that's where the most sunshine will be tomorrow. It's mostly sunny through the morning from about Bangor east and north, while to the south it's mostly cloudy, and there could be a shower as early as about 10 in the morning in York County, but it's more likely toward noontime these showers start coming in from the west. And it's not going to rain everywhere all afternoon, but if you do have afternoon and evening plans, you've got to be ready for some showers. The trend may be to push these north toward about dinner time, but there still is a chance for a shower to the south even around that time. Tomorrow evening, clouds, spotty showers continue. It'll be a cool one, temps dropping into the 40s during the evening. That's after highs tomorrow that only make it into the lower 50s in southern Maine. Warmest weather where you get the most sunshine, Holton over to down east Maine. You get to about 60 tomorrow afternoon. So this warm front brings in the rain tomorrow, but then this low kind of meanders to our south. But at the same time, a larger one forms way offshore and kind of robs some of the moisture from it. And that means on Thursday we're largely cloudy with just spotty showers around during the day. It does look like Thursday night we may be able to catch some steadier rain for a time, particularly in southern Maine, and that may last off and on into Friday too. I think the name of the game Thursday and Friday will be the farther north in the state you are, the drier it will be. Rain chances are going to be a little bit higher in southern Maine through that stretch. But it looks like we push this out for the weekend and start to develop a milder flow. So it turns brighter and warmer in time for the weekend too. This is a look at the potential rainfall through Friday, and again, amounts likely to be highest in southern Maine, which is actually good. Our largest rainfall deficits over the last couple of months have been in southern Maine. Eastern and northern Maine totals look much lower, probably because you miss out on any of the steady rain that may try to come up from the south Thursday night into very early on Friday morning. Seas tomorrow 2 to 4 feet, northwest or this is today. It's still 12:49 here. 2 to 4 foot seas this afternoon with that northwest wind that's kicking a little bit. There can be some gusts a little higher than 15 knots on the water. So afternoon showers tomorrow, lots of clouds Thursday and Friday, higher rain chances to the south, drier to the north, and then I do think we turn it around over the weekend. Sunshine returns on Saturday. You can make the argument there may be a pop-up shower Saturday afternoon and evening and maybe one on Sunday, but most of the weekend looks dry and it does look warmer. Temps could close in on 70, guys, this weekend.
So if it doesn't deliver, we know it's not your fault.
Thank you.
We'll give you a little raised eyebrow.
Well, you'll be able to sense if my tone changes as we get closer.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
Yeah.